If you're new here, welcome, and those who are returning, welcome back. My name is Tria. This is a new channel, as I stated. I turned 50 in November of 2024, so I'm embracing every moment of it. I feel every bit of 25 on most days. On this channel, you'll see a little bit of everything. We do a lot of landscaping. We love home decor. I enjoy cooking. We enjoy working out. Now, I've said before, I haven't graduated to filming in a gym, so I may do some home workout. So let me know if you're interested in that. But welcome again. I haven't decided on a routine on when I will post. I eventually will, so I can tell you what dates to expect the post. But either way, stay tuned and I hope you enjoy this content. So welcome again. Friends, happy Friday. I have my delicious coffee here. Excuse my voice, it's still a little early. I got up around 6:30 this morning. I think y'all are crooked. Hold on. Trying to get this stuff together, y'all. What's today? Today is May 30th. So I am just up, been getting up early every day this week. As y'all know, I've had trouble sleeping. So early rising is always good though. So I'm getting some things in. I should have taken a walk around the neighborhood, but it is almost work time. but I need to run to Dollar General when they open here at 8. Where's my watch? But y'all, today is finally the day that I am taking down these braids. Y'all, can you see this? I cannot stand new growth like that. Everybody in my gym class was like, Tria, those look good. It's been, I think it's 7 weeks. Is it 7 weeks to yesterday? I think I'm used to keeping them in for like 8 weeks, only if there's all dark at my roots, because my natural hair is dark. So I want the roots to look as natural and blended as possible. This to me, I just don't like. I don't like this look. So with that said, I need some of those plastic bags to put on your hair to keep that conditioner in. I don't have any here. I've been using like Kroger or Walmart bags, but I prefer the actual hair bags. And I need to get some cheap, conditioner so my hair doesn't mat when I take it down. So I'm gonna get me some VO5, Suave, something. So I'm gonna grab that and get started on taking these braids down. Now today is Friday. I am working, but it's not a busy Friday, thank goodness. So I'm taking my time in between. I have no calls, thank you Jesus. No calls on camera. No calls at all today, actually. So it's a lot of cleanup and just organization, getting my work week planned for next week. So y'all, I'm going to probably start with the back of these braids and take these things down. I miss my loose hair. My husband even said it. He usually never says it. He's like, I like your braids. But he finally said, I miss your curly hair, your big poof. So that's coming back, y'all. Y'all probably see that in the next vlog or two. I have so much back footage that I need to go ahead and post. And I need to edit it first, though. So I'm going to run in a few minutes. What time is it? It's my watch. Girl, this computer. My Mac has been acting up, and I hope it's not a major issue. It is 7:39, so I have 20 minutes before the store opens, and I'm less than 5 minutes away. So I'm going to get that so I can be working and gradually taking these down. I was going to do a live, y'all, but this is a new channel, and I didn't know how many people would be interested in me just taking down braids. But I need to clean out some purses. I need to get rid of some shoes in my closet. I have a lot of stuff I need to do. It may happen this weekend, but if not, I will be taking you along, okay? So let me know in the comment section if you're interested in that kind of content. I believe a lot of you are, but please leave me a comment so I'll know. Y'all, but these braids, I got these in April 10th before we went to Florida, y'all. And they've held up well, and I love my braider, but I told you in another vlog that this girl in my gym class led me to another braider who was even closer, honey, and cheaper. So I don't know, but I went ahead and scheduled an appointment to have them rebraided on the 25th of June, right before we leave on our anniversary trip. But you know what? I'm going to see how this goes because we're not going to a beach. I usually do braids, definitely in the summer weather, but usually if we're on a beach, so I could just pull them up, which is what I usually do. But y'all, I do miss my hair. So, and it needs to be really deep conditioned and washed. And this is starting to hang. They're not heavy, but I just don't want to ruin, my edges. Okay, we keep those edges, girl. Yeah, so that's on the agenda. I'm going to run real quick in a second here. And what else do we have planned today? Oh, my sis-in-love is retiring. Today is her last day at work. And we're going to surprise her with a dinner on Sunday, this coming Sunday. So that's June 1st. So we're excited about that. She deserves to be celebrated. She's awesome. So she is looking forward to this. This is her last full day. I know she is excited. So we're planning that. I need to get a gift idea for a retirement basket. So any of you that have ideas, please let me know. That would be great. I just don't want to get the typical gift cards and stuff like that. I want it really personalized and something that she'll always remember. Retirement's a big deal, So let's see that. I went ahead, showered, got some clothes on because I knew I was running to the store, put a little bit of lip gloss on. But yeah, guys, other than that, that's it. It is time for these braids to come down. I may show you a little bit as I'm taking them down, and that would be a long video. I should have done that on a live, but we'll do some lives coming up. Let me know if you're interested in live content. Just chit chat. I may do my nails on one of them. I may cook on some, answer your questions. Either way it goes, it'll be a hoot. Okay, it'll be fun times. So other than that, y'all, Layla's laying here. I usually feed her at 9. I'm not going to be gone long at all. I don't think I need anything else for my hair. I have my hair mask, and I use Shea Moisture. I'm huge on Shea Moisture. And is it Miel? I always mispronounce that. But anyway, I think I have enough products here because I know Dollar General has some of the product. I think they have Shea Moisture, but I think I have enough here. Plus, I'm going to put a mask on once I get these out. Thoroughly wash my hair, but I'm going to slather it with the cheap conditioner first when I take each section down so it can just sit and not mat. And then we're going to wash and wash and wash, honey. And then I'm going to put a deep conditioner on, leave it on all day. I do have to work. I have some stuff to do. But either way, it'll be deep conditioned. I have my gym class at 8:30 tomorrow. I don't want to skip that, but if it comes to it, I just may have to. That's the plan for today. I am so over this rain, y'all. Here, we've had some serious storms. Tornadoes here in the south. Our prayers go out to those who've lost homes, who've lost lives, more importantly, who are going weeks without electricity. My prayers are with you. Luckily, my family was not impacted by the storms, but my cousin, where they live, a little further up north, they were. I mean, it was like 3 tornadoes touched down. It has been a very tornadic month. We're hoping for a sunnier June with less rainfall. Rain is good, y'all. Let my husband tell it. He loves rain because that makes his flowers and his plants outside flourish. By the time you see this, hopefully it's posted, but I need to go ahead and post that because we grilled, we planted flowers. It was beautiful. It looks good out here. I'm about to get ready, check some emails real quick before I run to this store, and I'll be back with you. Y'all, it is 9 o'clock, so I'm an hour late from getting out this door. Sorry, y'all, it is dark, but I am getting out now finally. Hold on. Layla, where are you, girl? Y'all, I have to close all these doors in the house because Layla, she is potty trained. But, you know, if she doesn't go right away, I'm just kind of worried that she will have an accident. So we close every door, y'all, in this house. Every single door. Okay, honey, say bye-bye. Mommy will be right back, okay? This camera is going to fall on my dashboard. I wish I had that flat dashboard. Oops, let me turn this off. I'm listening to Steve Harvey. That's on, and I like to listen to that when I run my errands in the morning. But y'all, let me get situated. I need to get back, honey. I should have been back by now, okay? But I'm just running here real quick, and watch me find a few more things in here. We had some issues with someone's credentials at one of the plants, so I had to get that situated, girl. That's the worst, to be onboarded and not have access on your first day. And they started on their first day on a Friday. I was like, why do that? But anyway, all right, y'all, off to the store I go.